Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the PHP and HTML section. This is Introduction. PHP can be used in many ways. It can be used to write standalone programs that run in our terminal. Here's echo hello world. When run, the code above will output the following to the terminal, hello world. But PHP was designed as a back-end web development language. Specifically, it was designed to work well with HTML. PHP allowed a convenient way for developers to create HTML templates and programmatically fill them out in order to send customized HTML to visitors of their sites. PHP has evolved into a powerful programming language being used for more than templating HTML, but using PHP combined with HTML remains an important part of many web developers' skill sets. In this lesson, we'll delve into the difference between the front end and the back end and learn how to use PHP to generate HTML. If you'd like a refresher on HTML, check out these lessons. Otherwise, let's dive in. Our instructions say in the code editor, index.html contains the HTML code for the site in the browser. This same static file is being delivered every time a request is made. Move on to the next exercise to learn what is making this request and what is fulfilling it. Let's zoom out. And here we see some HTML, and we see it reflects what's being displayed here. We have our H1 static, we have our paragraph. We call this type of site static because it never changes. And this other paragraph here, every time you visit this site, you see the same thing. If it was located on a public website, other users would also see the same thing. So our introduction is basically telling us that PHP was designed as a back-end web development language. It allows a convenient way for developers to create HTML templates and programmatically fill them out in order to send customized HTML to visitors. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting the introduction, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey, quick question for you. Are you happy with your current job or career? Do you like to go to work every day and see yourself doing what you're doing right now forever? If not, I'd like to share with you a little bit about the sponsor of this video, the Programmer Coach. The Programmer Coach is an online coding program that helps people learn how to code and get a high-paying job as a software developer. Their program is unique in that they teach you how to code by doing, through practice, which is truly the only way to learn any skill at the end of the day, right? Plus, they provide you with coaches to help you whenever you run into any issues. They also have career coaching and placement services, where they work with you and help you get your first job as a software developer. And the best part, their program is affordable and accessible for anyone and everyone. That's right, you won't pay the bulk of your tuition until you actually land a job as a software developer. To learn all of the details you would ever need and get all of your questions answered, simply go to becomeaprogrammer.com. Becomeaprogrammer.com. Once again, that's becomeaprogrammer.com.